In 2019, I took a risk and quit my job to start my own business. To become inspired and motivated, I decided to take a trip across the country by way of train. I visited cities I've never been to, saw parts of the country you can only see from the rails, and ate foods that, well, I don't want to talk about it. Here's what I saw, here's what I did. Join me on my adventure. This is my last morning in San Francisco before I catch the train down the coast to Los Angeles. So I thought I'd come out here to the Bay Bridge and watch the sun come up. Pretty cool, but now it's time to go to Oakland. We're into the station a little bit early, and I'm kind of hungry and I don't want to pay for the annoying train breakfast, so I'm going to check out Bicycle Coffee in Oakland.
Come crashing into me,
So they didn't really have food here, so the only thing I could get was this pretzel croissant, so I'll try that, and my iced coffee.
just another lovely day in California. I love those sunny days in California. I never wanna leave here in California. I love those sunny days in California. I can feel the breeze blowing through my hair with the top down as I speed down Pacific Coast Highway, and all I see are palm trees on both sides of the city streets. Gotta love the way it feels in California. I love those sunny days in California. I never wanna leave here in California. I love those sunny days in California.
Train just stopped in Los Angeles a little bit early, and I am glad to be over with the train.